How to create a Temu account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily create a new account on Temu. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and type in temu.com and search. Once you're inside the home page of temu.com, go to the upper right corner and mouse over to sign in/register and click on sign in/register from the pop-up. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the register button from the bottom of the screen and enter a valid email or phone number you want to register with. If you don't want to use the email or phone option, you can also continue signing up with Google, Facebook, or your Apple account. I'm just going to use the phone or email option for now. Go ahead and write down a valid email address of your preference and click on continue. Now create a password which is minimum 8 characters long. On the next field, make sure to type in a strong password and the easy one for you to remember and click register. You'll then need to verify your email. Go check your email inbox and you'll receive a 6-digit verification code emailed to you. Go ahead and write down the code exactly as it appears in your email, and then you'll be able to sign up for a new account. You may need to go through this security verification, complete that, and you have your new account ready. So that's it, your Temu account has now been created successfully. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.